take my hand. There's a world I need to know.
Guess where we're going? Just kidding, you probably already know because I'm really good at captioning my videos. Where are we going?
We still don't know. Tiger Lagoon or Blizzard Beach?
I guess at this point in time, you know better than I do where I'm going today. I heard a cicada and it freaked me out. Shotgun!
Yeah.
We made a decision!
And it is. I'm afraid of ice in water.
Everyone's all winter themed. It's so stinking cute. There's like icicles on the building. We're totally on the ski lift right now. And it's summer. And we're in a swimsuit.
And we're in Florida.
People look down and you see your skis. You can totally see Expedition Everest from up here. Shit! It's a hidden Mickey! Brett's going to her death. It's fine.
Arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will give you size the slide.
Ready to take this?
When you reach the bottom,
No, I'm a little
move to the side
nervous.
immediately.
Oh my goodness. I gotta get out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that one kind of hurt. Like, it hurt.
It hurt my shoulder.
It hurt my bottom. Bottom. Lunchtime means chicken nuggets and french fries. I'll leave him a fry. Brett's chilling. We be lazing on the lazy river. This is the perfect day for a water park.
The clouds are so white too.
Ooh. You look like a wet rat! I don't like it. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where we wanna go to get away from our 9-hour shifts where we're not allowed to sit down once. We are ready to go sliding.
On your mark, get set, go!